Hey everyone, this is Ryan from God Oil Supplies coming to you live today on Facebook and Instagram with some huge announcements. And so I just want to give everyone a few moments to hop on. So if you are currently watching me live, please like, comment, share this video, spread the word, because we have a ton of announcements that I'm going to bring to you guys today, because it is November. Can you believe it? Halloween was over. Hope everyone had a happy Halloween. So Halloween's over. November's here. That means we are in the thick of the holiday season. Here at God Oil Supplies, our Black Friday sales are beginning today, and I'm going to get into that in more detail in just a moment. We have a brand new subscription box, obviously, because it's the first of the month. Hey, Tonette, how you doing? Thanks for chiming in on Facebook. Hey, good morning, good morning. So again, if you are watching this, please always like, comment, share this video, because I have some huge announcements today. Because like I already mentioned, Black Friday sales begin today. We are going to do 15 two-day Black Friday sales the entire month long. You're not going to want to miss any of those. We have our new subscription box, which I am going to unveil for you guys today. And we just have been working so hard at coming up with this awesome brand new content for you guys that I am sure you are going to love it. So without further ado, let me talk a little bit more about our Black Friday sales. And so we have a Black Friday sales event on our Facebook page. And so if you don't want to miss any of our announcements, if you want to be notified of all of our two-day sales that are coming up, go to our Facebook page, go to our events, and click that you're going to our Black Friday sales November Madness event. And that way, inside the event, we're going to post all of our sales, and you will not miss a thing. And we have one starting today in conjunction with our brand new subscription box. And so you're definitely not going to want to miss out on this. In November, we do the year's largest sales, and they're going to start off quickly. And like I said, they're going to start off today. And so today we'll have a sale on the 3rd, 5th, 7th, 9th, 11th, and so on, where you're going to have brand new Black Friday sale for you every 2 days, all month long. You are not going to want to miss it. And so our first Black Friday sale, basically we're just going to give you something for free. So if you are a new subscriber to any of our subscription boxes, it doesn't matter if you get the Oiler box, the Builder box, if you do our annual subscriptions or monthly subscriptions, or if you sign up for one of our Canadian subscription services or Australian, it doesn't matter which box you sign up for. If you sign up for a new subscription box either today or tomorrow, we're going to include a free wool snowman diffusing ornament inside your brand new subscription box. So this is a $7.95 value. We're going to give it to you absolutely free. So this is for any new subscriber. And so if you have a friend or a family member or downline or anyone in your Essential Oil business that's been thinking about signing up for one of our amazing subscription services, have them go on to GodOilSupplies.com. There's no promo code necessary. As long as they sign up today or tomorrow, we're going to include a free wool snowman diffusing ornament inside their first subscription box. No promo code required. Absolutely free. And then this is great to hang on the tree. All you need to do is put a few drops of essential oil on the back of your diffusing wool snowman ornament, and it's an awesome diffuser that you can hang on your Christmas tree. So we're giving these away for free. It's a $7.95 value today and tomorrow for any new subscriber. And so, and again, go to our Facebook event page, join our Black Friday sales event, because we have a ton of amazing sales that are coming all week long. And let's just say you're already one of our subscribers. Don't worry, in 2 days, we're going to have another sale that is going to knock your socks off. So we have some really great sales coming up all month long. And so, hey, and real quick, I just want to mention this. I sent an email out to our current subscribers yesterday. We're looking for some video testimonials. And so if you are one of our subscribers and you want to make a quick $10 to God Oil Supplies, make a video, like do an unboxing or show a demo that you do from like any of your make and take classes, or just tell us why you love our subscription boxes. Email us that video, and we'll give you a $10 gift certificate to God Will Supplies just for telling us why you love our subscription service. And I know a lot of you guys love our subscription service because every month we come out with new content for you guys, and we ship it to you automatically. No hassle, super easy. You don't have to think about, okay, what am I going to share with people this month? Because we do all the work for you, and we put it together in a cute little subscription box, and we ship it off to you guys, and then you guys can use it to, better use your essential oils for personal use, or it's a great way to help you share your essential oils and grow your essential oil businesses. And so every month we come out with a new box, and so that's why our subscription service is the best. You get new products, new content every month, no questions asked. And so this month is no different. So we decided to do our Christmas box in November. That way all of our subscribers could get their new products this month in preparation for Christmas, which is coming up next month. Can you believe it? We're already in November, and Christmas is next month. And so we came up with our Christmas Rollerball Blends extravaganza. So yes, we have a brand new Christmas Rollerball Blends collection, but in my opinion, that is not the best part of this month's subscription box, and I'm going to get into that right now. And so what we have done, and this is we've done this once before, but we designed and created a brand new booklet that we're going to include in all of our Oiler and Builder boxes for this month. It's titled Merry Christmas, from God Will Supplies, and we have put a lot of our own heart and soul into this Merry Christmas booklet, which is full of recipes and gift ideas. And so this right here, this is really the heart of our November subscription boxes, is this Merry Christmas booklet, and everyone is going to love this, and you're going to want to pick this up. So let me get into this Merry Christmas booklet that we're including in all of our subscription boxes for this month. Hey Debbie, how you doing? So the first thing when you open up our Merry Christmas booklet that you'll get is one of my personal favorite things. It's our GOS family cheese ball, and so we make a homemade cheese ball every year, and it's delicious, and it's one of my favorite parts of the holiday. And it even starts as early as Thanksgiving. We always make these cheese balls. We share them with our family. We take them to all our events, Thanksgiving, Christmas, everything. And so we are sharing with you guys our personal family cheese ball recipe, and it's all right here. And this is just the first page. And so this is such a great recipe. And we love cheese balls so much that we also designed these bamboo cheese cutting boards that we are going to include in every subscription box. So you're going to get this booklet, and I'm still going to go through this booklet because there's a ton of great stuff in here with our GOS family cheese ball recipe, and we are going to give you a Got Oil Supplies bamboo cheese cutting board in every subscription box. Now these are great. You can keep this for yourself. This makes an excellent gift. This right here is a $13.95 value. You're going to get this. All of our Oiler boxes, all of our Builder boxes, this is included in all of our subscription boxes for this month. Hey, morning, Lori. How you doing? So you get the bamboo cheese cutting board. You get the booklet. It has the recipe in here. There's also a recipe in here for peppermint brownies. Amazing. Karen, our certified aromatherapist, she made up this recipe, brought it to the warehouse. Delicious. Absolutely delicious. And tons of fun gift ideas and recipes for the holidays. So we have the cheese ball and peppermint brownie. Next page we have a hot cocoa recipe. We have some Christmas diffuser blends, which you're obviously going to need. Here's some more Christmas roller bottle blends, all included in the booklet, which make great gifts. Karen also came up with this Christmas tree diffuser DIY ornament. instructions on how to make a beautiful, beautiful Christmas tree ornament out of felt pads. Super easy, super awesome. That's in our booklet. Some great Christmas gifts. We have hydrating lip balms, candy cane body polish, some Christmas body butter, some really great stuff that you could make and share with your friends, families, and neighbors. And so this Merry Christmas booklet is awesome. Great recipes, great gift ideas, and we're giving this to you now in November to help you get ready for the holiday season. And so this is great. So this booklet is included in our Oiler and our Builder box. Remember, our Oiler box is for personal use. It's only $19.95 a month. Go sign up now. This is included. You will also get the bamboo cheese cutting board. This is also in the Oiler box, again, which is $19.95. And then Karen, again, our certified aromatherapist, she developed 12 brand new Christmas roller bottle blend recipes. And so you're going to get one of our brand new recipe sheets. See this right here. We have a ho 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 uplifting blend, seasonal greetings, oh dear, Merry Little Christmas, Noel. We have 12 brand new roller bottle recipes for you guys. And look how beautiful this recipe sheet is. Beautifully designed recipe sheet. And then we also have the brand new labels. And so you get the 12 labels and the 12 lid stickers all in one sheet. And as you notice, our holes are already punched out, so you can slip this label sheet inside your content management system, which everything is designed to fit in here. So go and pick up your content management system notebook if you do not have one. And I also want to mention this because we see a lot of recipes and a lot of labels coming from all places, and you know sometimes people even print the recipes on the back of their label sheet. But you know when you take all the labels off the label sheet, you want to throw it away. You don't want to keep a half-used label sheet because the recipes are on the back. And so we put our recipes on a separate sheet, high quality, ready to go inside your content management system notebook. This way you're not going to want to throw away this recipe sheet. After you use the label sheet, throw it away. But this label sheet, high quality, two-sided, full color, you're going to want to keep this. And so we do a separate label sheet and a separate recipe sheet because that's just the best way to do it. So always go pick up these recipe sheets and our label sheets. These are in our Oiler boxes. And then, of course, we're going to give you guys the 12 roller bottles. And all of that is included in your Oiler box for only $19.95 a month. But let's just say you are growing your essential oil business. And then our Builder box is perfect for you. Our Builder box this month is valued at $60. And for you only, it is only $39.95. So our Builder box is a great value. And we give you guys a ton of content for only $39.95 a month. And so you guys, what you're going to get in this month's Oiler box is the following. So we're going to give you our Merry Christmas notebook. You also get our amazing bamboo cheese cutting board. And you're also going to get, a dozen of our roller bottles. But what we're also going to do is we're going to include a dozen of our 1 ml roller bottles, which are super cute and blue, to help you guys share your essential oil roller blends with your friends, families, neighbors. Share your essential oil. So you're going to get a dozen of these. You're going to get 12 sheets of our 12 recipe sheets, and you're going to get 12 label sheets, which is a huge value. This way it makes it super easy to make these up as gifts, do make and take classes, give these away. You can do so many things with all the supplies that we give you inside your monthly Builder box, which again is only $39.95, and it's over a $60 value. And one of the best parts that I haven't even mentioned yet is that we include a surprise in every subscription box that we send out. And I know for a fact that you're going to love the little surprises that we are going to include in our November subscription boxes. Just to give you a little hint, you're going to get 12 of them. You are going to get 12 of our little cute surprises this month. You're going to love them for sure, but I can't tell you what they are, otherwise it will not be a surprise. And so that is what you're going to get in this month's subscription boxes. We have our Christmas Roller Bottle Blends collection coming out. We have our Merry Christmas Booklet, which is going to help you get ready for the holidays. You're going to get your bamboo cheese cutting board, which is super cute and fun. And we are going to help you guys get ready for the holidays. And so if you have any questions or comments about how our subscription service works or what you get, we are always available. You can email us at info@GodOilSupplies, give us a call, send us a message on Facebook. We are always here to help you guys. And so, yes, we love the surprises too. Mahala, the surprises are great. So again, that's our subscription services. And just remember, our Black Friday sales begin today. We're going to have 15 two-day sales. So today and tomorrow only for all of our new subscribers, you are going to get the free wool snowman diffusing ornament for your tree. We'll include that free in your first box. Go to our Facebook event page. Click that you're going to our Black Friday sales event. That way you guys can get notified of all of our upcoming Black Friday sales. And again, if you are already one of our hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of subscribers and you want to make a quick $10 to God Oil Supplies, email us a video of what you love about your subscription boxes. And so go to our subscriber group on our Facebook page if you want to learn more about that, because we are always looking to hear from our amazing fans, our amazing customers. We want to hear from you guys. And that's all I have for you guys today. Huge announcements. Black Friday sales starting and new subscription boxes launching. And so if you joined us late, please go back, watch this video in its entirety. Always like, comment, share these videos. We really appreciate it. We hope everyone had a happy Halloween, and we wish everyone a happy holidays. And we hope that everyone's holidays coming up will be happy and merry. And so, again, I'm Ryan from God Oil Supplies. Thank you so much for spending a portion of your morning with me. And until next week, just keep your eye on your email and go to our event page, because you are not going to want to miss any of our Black Friday sales that we are going to have this month. And so until next time, everyone have a great week. Take care. Bye-bye.